My name is Nansugadura and I'm going to teach English. The topic is adjectives. I remember last time we introduced adjectives and children. What are adjectives?
Adjectives are words used to describe a noun or a pronoun.
Okay, examples of adjectives by show of a hand. Ugly, smart, beautiful, shabby, smooth. Yes. What? Ones. Okay. Clever. Handsome. It's good. Smart. Ones. Yes. Strong. Pink. Joseph, generous. Okay, thank you so much. Now look, I remember also we said kinds of adjectives, the types of adjectives. Yes, children? Color adjectives, very good. Demonstrative adjectives, yes, dear. Quantity adjectives. Beautiful. Personal pronoun adjectives, yes. Quality adjectives. Those are the kinds of adjectives we looked at. Then we are going to continue with our lesson. And today we are going to look at comparing adjectives. We are going to look at
comparing adjectives.
Yeah, we are going to compare adjectives. You see, these adjectives are compared in 3 degrees. They are compared in 3 degrees. The first one is persuade. So we are looking at comparing adjectives. Adjectives are say that they are compared in 3 degrees. The first one is positive. Very good. Can you clap her? Yeah, positive. Yes.
Superlative degree.
Superlative. Before we go to superlative, there is the next one. Yes, children. Comparative. Comparative degree. This is positive degree and the comparative degree. Then the last one is, the superlative degree. Superlative degree. Then we are going to look at when do we use the positive degree, when do we use the comparative degree, and when do we use the superlative degree. Who can tell us? When do we use the positive degree? Hello?
We use the positive degree when we are defining one thing.
One thing? When we are defining one noun?
We use positive degree when we are using one object or
a noun, Yeah, when we are referring to one, yes, this has an idea also. Yes?
We use the positive degree when we are comparing only one noun.
When we are comparing only one noun. Very good. So we use the positive degree when we are comparing, when we are looking at only one noun. For example, I have Mary. Mary is the noun we are going to look at. Who can give me any adjective to describe Mary? Yes.
Mary is a smart girl.
Mary is a smart girl. We have Mary is a smart girl. We are looking at only, this is the positive degree. Mary is a smart girl. Then I'm going to get another noun. I'm going to get Betty. I'm going to get Betty. Still, we are going to use this adjective, smart. We have 2 nouns now. We have Mary and we have Betty. We are going to the comparative degree. Yes?
We use the comparative.
When do we use, the comparative degree?
We use the comparative degree when we are comparing 2 nouns.
When we are comparing 2 nouns. When do we use the comparative degree, everybody?
comparative degree
When we are
comparing to nouns.
when we are comparing two nouns. Therefore, here we shall say Betty.
Is smarter than Mary.
Yeah, Betty is smarter than Mary. Everybody read the sentence.
Betty is smarter than Mary.
Very good. Now we go to the superlative. This is comparative. Then we go to superlative. When do we use the superlative degree? When do we use the superlative? Hello?
We use the superlative degree when comparing two or more nouns.
Two? More? Yes? Make it clearer.
We use the superlative degree when we are comparing three or more.
Yeah, three or more nouns. When we are comparing more than. Okay. Then now I am going to get another noun. Let me get Sarah. I'm getting Sarah. We are going to use the superlative degree to compare. We have three nouns. We have Mary, Betty, and Sarah. Yes, Fairuz?
Sarah is the smartest girl in the whole class.
In the whole class of the three girls now, yeah? You have three girls. Yes.
Of the three girls,
Of the three girls.
Mary is smarter than Sarah.
No, thank you. No. Yes, dear. Which boys? Okay, I just want you to use the superlative. Sarah is the superlative now. Yes, children.
Sarah is the smartest of the three girls.
Very good. Everybody clap, children. And what has she said? Sarah is the smartest of the three. Repeat. Sarah is the smartest of the three girls. Sarah is the smartest of the three girls. That's when we use the superlative degree. Let's read the positive degree sentence, everybody.
Mary is a smart girl.
Very good. Then the comparative degree.
Betty is smarter than Mary.
Good. Then the superlative degree.
Sarah is the smartest of the girls.
Repeat. Sarah
is the smartest
of the three girls. Of the three girls. That's the superlative. So then, still, we are going to look at the adjectives in those degrees. Now we have looked at the sentences. Now we are just going to draw the table like this. Positive, comparative, and the superlative. And we are going to look at the regular adjectives. You are going to look at the regular
adjectives.
Do you know the regular adjectives? Yeah? These adjectives add ara or what? Okay, look at these ones. These are regular adjectives. When we are comparing, in comparative, they add ara. Then in superlative, they add st. They add what? St. These are regular adjectives. In comparative, they add ara. Then in superlative, st. Look at this. This one is?
Same.
Everybody?
Same.
The comparative is?
Safer.
The superlative?
Safest.
Then the next one is?
Wise.
Wiser. Then the superlative?
Wisest.
The next?
Wide.
The next?
Wider.
Then?
Widest.
Then?
Simple.
Next?
Simpler.
Then?
Simplest.
Now you are going to give me examples of those regular adjectives which add ara and st. I've given you the examples. Then?
Clever.
Clever. Really? Then it has ER, no? Look at those adjectives which end with E. Think of those adjectives which end with E. Yes?
White.
Wide. Very good. We have wide. Good. Let me write it here then. Wide. The comparative is wider. We just add on ara. Then the superlative is widest. We add on st. Give me another one. Yes, dear? Yes? Large. Very good. Large. The comparative is? Large. We just add on? Ara. Then the superlative is? Largest. Largest. We add on st. Largest. Very good. Yes, dear? Small. Small adds era. Yes? Wise. Wow. Beautiful. Wise. Then the comparative will be wiser. Then the superlative? Wisest. I sing? Yes, dear? Safe. Safe. Good. Then the comparative is? Safer. We just add on R. Then the superlative will be safest. We add on ST. You're coming now. Yes, Joseph? Simple. Simple. The comparative of simple is?
Simple.
Everybody?
Simple.
Where we add on? Ara only, yeah? Then the superlative here? Simplest. We add ST. Simplest. Any other? Yes? Huge. Huge, huger, hugest. Correct. Huge, huger, hugest. Any other? Okay, as if you are drying up. Yes? Dirty? No, not dirty. Yes? Okay, those are the regular adjectives which add ara and st. We are going to look at also the regular adjectives which add I, which add era and est. These are the adjectives, eh? I sing them. Yes. Huh? Can you read them? We have?
Smart, smarter, smartest.
Very good. Another one?
Clever, cleverer, cleverest.
Another one?
Clean, cleaner, cleanest.
The next?
Smooth, smoother, smoothest.
Smoothest. Then, okay. You are going to add on yours. Add on yours. Yes?
Small, smaller, smaller.
Beautiful. Small, smaller, smallest. Yes, dear?
Big, bigger, biggest.
Very good. Yes?
Tall, taller, tallest.
Beautiful. Yes, dear?
Fatter, fattest.
Fat, fatter, fattest. Yes, dear?
Strong, stronger, strongest.
Wow. Yes?
Soft, softer, softest.
Softest. Correct. Yes?
Clean, cleaner.
Correct. Yes, dear?
Weaker, weakest.
Wow. Yes?
Short, shorter, shortest.
You are the best. Yes?
Rougher, rougher.
Wow. Yes?
Big, bigger, biggest.
Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. These were the first. Now we are going to another group. Do you know the other group? The other group is those regular adjectives. They end with Y. They end with Y. What do we do with Y when we are forming the comparative and superlative?
We draw Y
We do what? We drop
Y and we add IES.
Very good. Look at these ones. We have like busy. We have
Busy.
then the comparative is
Busier.
busier and the superlative is
Busiest.
yeah. So you say Busy. Busier. This Y you change it to I, then add ER. Then the superlative will be busiest. The Y has changed to I. Huh? Like that. The next one is dirty. I will say dirty.
Dirty.
The comparative is
Dirtier.
everybody.
Dirtier.
Dirtier. The superlative.
Dirtier.
Dirtiest. Another adjective ending with Y.
Shabby.
Shabby. The comparative.
Shabbier.
The superlative.
Shabbier.
Okay. The next is
Ollie.
Ali. The comparative.
Ollier.
And the superlative.
Ollier.
Okay. Now you are going to give me yours. Wait. You give me yours. Adjectives that end with Y. Yes. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Very good. Yes, dear. She has forgotten. Happy, happier, happiest. Beautiful. Yes. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Good. Yes, Joseph. Forgotten. Any other? Heavy. Let me add on. Heavy. The heavier. Okay. Yes. Healthy, yes. Very good. This healthy. Maybe some people have not understood this healthy. That one, eh? Healthier. Then healthiest. Eh? It is ending with Y. Healthiest. Another adjective ending with Y. Yes? Hurry. No. Hurry. Yes? Have you already mentioned? Yes? Wealthy, yeah, wealthy. Wealthier, wealthiest. Do you know wealthy?
Yes.
Yeah. Being? So who can tell us the meaning of wealthy? Yes?
Wealthy means being rich.
Being rich. Yeah. So wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. There is another one. Easy. Do you know easy?
Yes.
That adjective. Then we say easy.
Easier.
Okay, yes, dear. She has. Ugly. Already mentioned, yes? Dry, drier, driest. Correct. You can say like January is drier than December. Huh? Or you can say January is the driest month in the year. Huh? Okay? Shy. With the shy, it doesn't change. That one is exceptional. Eh? You mean that shy, eh? No, we don't remove the Y, eh? That shy is exceptional. It is shy, shyer, shyest. That one is exceptional. For it, we don't remove the Y. Yes? Repeat. Hurry. Carry. That one is a verb. That one is a verb. Any other? Yes? Busy. Already mentioned busy, busier, busiest. Okay, do you know what we are going to do? We are going to construct sentences in the comparative degree. We are going to get to an adjective. We change it to all the forms in sentences. You get that? For example, let's start with those ones which end with R and ST. Let's get like wise. I have the adjective wise. Let's construct a sentence, a positive sentence, a sentence in a positive degree. Somebody give us a sentence in a positive degree. Yes. That man is wise. Let's give us he has used the demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative adjective. Use a noun. Yes. Like Mukasa is. Yeah, Mukasa is a wise man. Of course, we shall have another noun. Mukasa is a wise man. Mukasa is a wise man. Then I want the comparative there. Let's use another name. Get another person. Yes?
Mitita. Job is more wise
No. Are we adding on more wise? Yes?
Sarah is wise. Is a wise girl.
We are now going to comparative. Yes, dear.
Mary is wiser than
Mukasa. Yeah, Mary is wiser than Mukasa. That's the comparative. Mary is wiser than Mukasa. Now we go to the superlative. Yes, children.
Joan is the wisest of
the three children, eh?
Yes.
Who? What's the name?
Joan.
Joan is the wisest. Is the wisest of the three children. Of the three children. Very good. Let's read the sentences together. Say.
Mukasa is a wise man.
Then.
Mary is wiser than Mukasa.
Then.
Joan is the wisest
Of the three.
children.
But we are calling Mukasa a man, then we are saying children. So let us call him a boy, eh? Okay. Let's read again.
Mukasa is a wise boy.
Then Mary is wiser than.
Mukasa.
Then
Joan is the wisest
of the three.
children.
Wonderful. Now we are going to look at those adjectives which add er and est. Where is our duster? I'm going to get one adjective there, eh? Which adjective should we use? Smart. Clever. Yes, clever. Okay, let's use clever. Sentence in positive degree. Yes, dear? Yes.
Musoke is clever than
Positive degree. Yes.
Mary is a clever girl.
Mary is a clever girl. Let me use Jane. Jane is a clever girl. Positive degree. Then in comparative degree. Yes, dear.
Mary is
Yeah.
clever.
Mary is cleverer. Very good. Mary is cleverer than Jane. Cleverer than Jane. That is the comparative. Then we got the superlative. Oh, I want it. Yes, dear.
Denise is the cleverest of the 4 children.
Yeah, Denise. Are they 4? So Denise is the cleverest of the 3 children. Of the 3 girls, eh? That is the superlative degree. Let's read the sentences together.
Jane is a clever girl.
Huh?
Mary is clever.
Eh? Repeat this one. Mary is cleverer than
Jane.
then.
Denise is the cleverest of the 3 girls.
Yeah, Denise is the cleverest of the 3 girls. And let's look at those adjectives ending with Y. Adjectives ending with Y. Here, like dirty, eh? Yes, use that adjective, dirty, dirty. Give me a sentence in the positive degree. Hello.
Tender is a dirty boy.
Tendo is a dirty. Tendo is a dirty boy. Whew. Then
Bertha is dirtier than Tender.
Bertha. So we say Bertha is dirtier than Tendo. Then superlative. Yes, Denise.
Max is dirtiest than King.
Somebody make it clear.
Max is the dirtiest of the three girls.
What's the name?
Max.
Max. So Max is the dirtiest of the three children. Very good. Let's read the sentences together. Say,
Taylor is a dirty boy.
then,
Father is dirtier than Tendo.
then, Max is the dirtiest of the three.
children.
Yeah. Max is the dirtiest of the three children. Do you know what? We are going to write the exercise now. But before the exercise, I want you to give me the answers here. Eh? You are going to fill in the correct degree. Eh? Clear? Okay. I have the sentence. Mary is dash girl in our class. Mary is dash girl in our class. The word in brackets, the adjective is fat. Mary is dash girl in our class. You even tell me the degree. Huh? You're going to tell me the degree and then the answer. Mary is the dash girl in our class. The adjective is fat. Yes, dear?
Fattest.
In our class.
Fattest.
So what is the answer?
Mary is the
Fattest girl. The fattest girl in our
Class.
what degree is that?
Superlative.
Superlative degree. Clap yourselves. You are so wonderful. Next is another question. January is dash than December. The adjective in brackets is dry. January is dash than December. The adjective is dry. Hello?
January is drier than December.
Very good. And the degree? Which degree is that?
Comparative.
Comparative degree. Can you clap her? Wow. Then the next question is, I have Betty has the dash bag in class. The adjective is new. Kezi, tell us the answer. Betty has the dash bag in class. The adjective is new. In class. Kezi is lost. Yes?
Betty has the newest bag in our class.
Wow. And which degree is that? Superlative. Can you clap this girl, Fiona? The next sentence. A taxi is dash than a bus. A taxi is dash than a bus. The adjective in brackets is quick. You even tell me the degree, eh? Yes, Raymond.
Taxi is quicker than a bus.
A taxi is quicker than a bus. Which degree? Everybody?
Comparative degree.
That's the comparative degree. Very good. Then the next sentence is, our teacher came dash than us. The word in brackets, the adjective is early. This word early, that adjective. Eh? Our teacher came dash than us. Early. Yes, Joseph.
Our teacher came earlier than us.
Yeah, our teacher came earlier than us. Which degree?
Comparative.
The comparative degree. Clap that girl. Okay. Then I have, your baby is dash than mine. Your baby is dash than mine. The word in brackets is healthy. Yes?
Your baby is healthier than mine.
Your baby is healthier than mine. Which degree?
Comparative.
Comparative degree. Beautiful. Then I have another one, which is, this bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. Which degree is that? In which degree is that sentence? Yes. The positive degree, because we have only one bag. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. The next sentence is Owino Market is the dash in Kampala City. The word in brackets is busy. Owino Market is the dash in Kampala City. Busy. Yes. Nansamba.
Busiest.
Is the busiest. Which degree is that?
Superlative.
The superlative degree. You are wow. Clap yourselves. Okay. Then I have this one. Mary's shirt is dash than Joseph's. The word in brackets is white. White. Yeah. Adjectives of color. White.
White.
Maureen.
Mary.
We have to. Yes, dear.
My shirt is whiter than Joseph.
Joseph's. Mary's shirt is whiter than Joseph's. Which degree is that? Comparative degree. That is the comparative degree. Okay. Then I have the last one.
Yes.
These ones end with Y. Yes. Like if I say Sarah is dash than Moses, the adjective is lazy. Those adjectives ending with Y. Yes, dear?
Sarah is lazier than
Joseph. Yeah, Sarah is lazier than Joseph. Which degree is that? The comparative degree. Thank you. Then, what is... Okay, she was putting up the arm. The next one is still adjectives ending with Y. It is pretty. I have the adjective, pretty. I have Annette is the dash girl in our school. The word in brackets is pretty. Annette is the dash girl in our school. Yes, dear. Is the prettiest. Yeah. Which degree is that?
Superlative degree.
The superlative degree. Okay. Then I have healthy. Okay. Did I give you heavy? Let me look at the adjective heavy. If I say John's bag is dash than Peter's. John's bag is dash than Peter's. I have the adjective heavy. Yes, Kezi?
Johnny's bag is heavier than
Peter. Than Peter's, Then which degree is that? Comparative degree. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Now, still I have another exercise, Of the two boys, Kato is the dash. I have old. Of the two boys, Kato is the dash. Yes? Is there? Of the two boys? Yes, baby. Kato is the? Is there? They are not related. Of the two boys, Kato is the? Is the older. That is, which degree is that? The comparative degree. Somebody was saying elder. What's the difference between elder and older? I want with show of hand. Yes, Fiona?
We use elder when comparing people who are related.
Very good. We use elder when you're talking about people who are related. Maybe John and Paul are brothers. Then I can say Paul is the elder of the two boys. Then older when they are not. They are not related. You've just met in class or at school. You are not related. That's when we use older. Okay? The next one is, this test is dash than the one we did last week. The word in brackets is easy. Yes.
This test is easier than the non-test.
Which degree is that?
Comparative.
Comparative degree. Clap, Raymond. Okay. Then I have her mother is dash than mine. The word in brackets is rude. Those adjectives which add ara.
Teacher.
Yes, dear.
I beg your pardon?
Her mother is dash than mine. Rude.
Her mother is ruder than mine.
Her mother is ruder than mine. Which degree is that?
Comparative.
Comparative degree. Okay. Okay. Then I have another one which is you. Huh? Okay. Mukasa is dash. Mukasa is dash than Peter. Brave. Mukasa is dash than Peter. Brave. Yes? Mukasa is braver than Peter. Which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
Comparative degree. Okay. Then if I say Sarah is dash. Sarah is a dash girl. Then the word in brackets is smart. Sarah is a dash girl. Yes.
Sarah is a smart girl.
And which degree?
Positive.
Wow, clap her. Yeah, Sarah is a smart girl. We have only one noun, Sarah, and we say smart because it is a positive degree. Okay, next is, I have the adjective large. If I say Entebbe Road, okay, let me use wide. Adjective wide. Entebbe Road is dash than Masaka Road. Entebbe Road is dash than Masaka Road. The adjective is wide. Joseph?
Wider.
Is wide. The Entebbe Road is wider than Masaka Road.
Comparative degree.
Which degree?
Comparative.
The comparative degree. Very good. Then, I have wet. I have the adjective wet. The sentence is, June is the dash month in the year. June is the dash month in the year. Yes, dear?
June is the wettest month.
Very good. Clap her. And which degree is that?
Superlative degree.
That's the superlative degree. June is the wettest month in the year. Okay? The next one is, Salome is the dash girl in our class. The adjective is thin. Salome is the dash girl in our class. But I've already chosen this. Okay. Is the thinnest girl in our class. Which degree is that? It is superlative degree. Okay, we are going to spell the word thinnest. Yes. Yeah. Very good. Okay. I have clean. I have the adjective clean. Now I'm going to say primary 5 is dash than primary 3. Primary 5 class is dash than primary 3. Joseph, yes.
Primary 5 is cleaner than primary 3.
Yeah, primary 5 is cleaner than primary 3. Which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
The comparative degree. Okay. Then I have poor. I have the adjective poor. If I say Musisi is the dash man in our village. Musisi is the dash man in our village. I have the adjective poor. Yes, dear?
Musisi is the poorest man in our village.
Very good. And which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
The comparative degree. Okay. The other adjective here is high. High. I have this one, high. Yeah. Then I have the ball. The ball is dashed than the orange. Maybe they were put at different levels, eh? The ball is dashed than the orange. I have the adjective high. Yes, dear?
The ball is higher than
The orange. The ball is higher than the orange. Which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
The comparative degree. Okay. Another adjective here is okay, few. We have the adjective few. By the way, in which type of adjective is that? Few. Where does it fall? That is quantity adjective. Oh, marvelous. You are marvelous. The quantity adjective. Then I'm going to give you the sentence. If I say, primary 3 class has less children than primary 5. Primary 3 class has less children than primary 5. The adjective is few. Still? Yes, baby. Lost? Yes?
Primary 3 has fewer children than primary.
Few? Yes?
Primary 3 has fewer children than primary.
Has fewer children than primary 5. And which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
Comparative degree. Okay. Now, I have another adjective, fine. Another adjective is fine. If I say the weather is dashed than today's weather is dashed than yesterday. I have the adjective fine. Yes.
Today's weather is finer than yesterday.
Wow, clap her. And now somebody tell me which degree is that? Yes? Comparative degree. You are beautiful, all of you. The last one is, let me use busy. Did we use busy already? Okay. The last sentence about busy, eh? We used it about the market, eh? Okay, till we can say Tom is dashed than Bob. Tom is dashed than Bob. Maureen is what? Busier. Tom is busier than Bob. And which degree is that?
Comparative degree.
The comparative degree. Okay. The last one is new. I'm going to use new. We have the adjective new. I can say my book is dashed than yours. My book is dashed than yours. Yes, dear. My book is newer than yours. Which degree is that? Comparative degree. Thank you, children. You have been very active. I've loved the lesson. Next time I'll come back, we shall look at comparing adjectives in sentences. Comparing adjectives in sentences. Yeah. We shall look at using as. We shall look at using not as. Like that. Okay. Bye-bye. We meet next time, dear viewers.